people in here. Is my phone going to let me get in? Do. Come on. I guess it don't want to let me invite. Wow, seriously? Oh, good. At least somebody's in here. Alright, look. I have some things I've been going over with the paperwork I filed yesterday. So anybody that knows anything about law or can pass this video on to somebody that knows about law, I would really appreciate it. I was looking into more about this habeas corpus. Me and my daughter-in-law and my son had papers signed for habeas corpus. And it was sent to the court, but it was sent back to me. My daughter-in-law went and, when she sent this habeas corpus and stuff, I took her to the post office and had it post-stamped for the habeas corpus for my grandson, and she mailed it to the court and had him sign for it. Now, when I was sitting there reading it, it says it's to protect you from any tyranny in the court. So if it's to protect you from any tyranny in the court, can't I sue individual lawyers and judges using the habeas corpus for kidnapping my grandson? And since my daughter-in-law already had it signed once and mailed in and had them sign for it, which I have all that information, isn't that the same thing? Because even though it's my grandchild wasn't in state custody, I mean, I know it's used more for state custody, but at the same time, they used a court, which is a government entity, to commit a crime. If you file a habeas corpus in an adoption procedure, it stops it. But in this case, the adoption was final, I do believe, due to the fact I have the original adoption before she even took my grandson. Because it was you have to wait 72 hours to file an adoption in Mississippi. My kids didn't know about this, and it was done when my grandson was only 15 hours old. Premeditation is putting insurance on a child before a child is born. She premeditated taking this child. That's proven in her own writing. So if they use the court, and these are people that have taken oath to uphold the law, even though it's not a state facility, that is the same thing. Am I correct? So I should be able to file the same papers. If you have knowledge on what I'm asking or trying to make sense of, because the lady there, she is sweet as can be. She really is nice. But she can't tell me anything except where my date is or if I gotta pay. That's all she can tell me. So, but she keeps telling me, if you feel like you want to file the paperwork, you can file the paperwork here. It's basically like telling me to go do it. But I went and looked up, the definition and all that good stuff and reread it. Because, even though I read this stuff, it's kind of like Spanish to me because I don't understand criminal law or all this law. I don't really get it. It's really Spanish. All these court papers, writing this stuff. I didn't go to school or college to be an attorney. I didn't go and study law. I'm just a normal citizen trying to understand and understanding that, you're not going to get an attorney to go against the bar. You're not going to get nobody to go against anybody. But if we want to bring down the bar, we're going to have to start filing our own paperworks in federal court. And if we start filing our own paperwork against the people, that is causing tyranny against us, because that's what it says. Tyranny against the people in the court is in the definition. So, if these people have taken the oath to uphold the law and they're committing tyranny upon the people, then the people have the right to write them a habeas corpus and go file it. I just don't know if it's going to work on my grandson because he's not in state's care. I thought it was just state's care until I read the definition. So it's kind of got me a little confused. But if that is so simple as filing a habeas corpus for your children in federal court against the people that's taken an oath to uphold the law and violated that, then that's what we need to start doing. And if the people of the bar are the members of the people of the bar are the ones doing this, and if everybody starts doing these, they can't tell you what to file, but if their courts are flooded with something that helps you stop tyranny, the biggest thing that we've been arguing about on the internet, then that would make sense to me to file these. I mean, the simplest things are right there in front of us. They really are, and people just don't realize that. And it's just like food. Like my doctor told me when I wanted to live, food can heal you. The simplest things. It was simple. So I'm really going to look into this some more, because after speaking with the lady today, and just her tone, the way she was speaking, she seemed pretty on it. Telling me to file this paper without telling me to file the paper. Very nicely, So, and looking up the definition, because not getting a direct answer, it made me go research some more. And I know we did this habeas corpus for my grandson and my mom. Me and my daughter-in-law did all the legwork, even went and had it court stamped. And they mailed it back for my grandson. They even mailed back when we did the FOIA for my grandson. When we did the FOIA for my grandson, the Federal Information Act, they didn't respond. They mailed everything back. So with them mailing everything back, that means I can file in federal court. I really do believe that. Please, if you think I am right, let me know. If you think I'm wrong, please explain to me and help me understand, because I gotta get my family back. I gotta do what I gotta do. No matter what people come through my path and do stupid stuff and mess me over, it's not gonna stop me from thinking about what I gotta do to get my family. But I really think that might be so simple. And I have all the law codes thanks to my son. I have everything thanks to my kids that help me work on their case. So that way we can bring our family back together. But if it's right there, please tell me I'm right. Please, 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 please. Much love. Bye.